the last video, we already installed Jenkins and Docker on AWS, but we have new goals in this new video. We are going to install plugins and we are going to set up the new admin user or the new user. And then we are going to create a simple pipeline to show what is the pipeline, what you can do, how we left this in the last video, so we can select what kind of plugin we want to start. But so far, for this demo, we are going to use with the suggested one. So Jenkins, the first step is going to install a couple of plugins. Like you can see by default, it's installed the pipeline state view, and also it have other pipeline for GitHub Ruby, but the one that we are going to use is the pipeline. There's a lot of couple of plugins like Git or LLAP. So the next view is going to be our user. What is going to be our user? It's going to be admin, password admin, pretty simple, admin at gmail.com, maybe. Suppose this one. And then we can save it or continue as admin. This is our new user, and Jenkins is ready. Here we go. So this is the Jenkins view. As you can see, we are logging as our admin user. It's not really an admin, but the default the Jenkins. So the first concept that we are going to do is like a demo one. We are going to create this. You can create different kind of job like freestyle, pipeline, multi-configuration project, etc., multi-branch pipeline. But so far, we are going to create a pipeline. So a pipeline. What is a pipeline? A pipeline is a sequential of states or steps that you want to create to allow you how to configure your development process. Like for example, you have different steps of the stage in the development software, like build the application, then you want to test, and then maybe you want to scan for some qualities or something, or then you want to deploy to different environments or maybe repositories like Nexus, or deploy in the cloud or wherever. So the first thing is let's go to our pipeline folder. This is going to be our first simple pipeline, and let's do it. How can we see what's going on now? So we have a pipeline, and the pipeline you can define an agent. An agent is going to be like a what kind of server. In this case, it's going to be any, and with the only content, the only node that we have right now is a Jenkins master. And the stage, how many stages do you have? And we create two stages. The first stage is called phase one, and you have different steps into the stage. You can run phase zero, and then we'll see we can run phase two. Let's just apply this change, and let's see in the new tab. Let's open this in the new tab just to keep this one open. What's going on and how can we build the pipeline? So here we go. We have the pipeline, and phase one and phase two is already running and was completed. If you go to the output, you will see, okay, our pipeline is completed, was successful, and the phase one was completed and phase two was completed. And there is another plugin that we can use for a more user-friendly smart Jenkins. I click. We can manage plugins in these sections. Jenkins allow us to configure or install plugins. Let's go to install Blue Ocean. So Blue Ocean is a really nice plugin that let's install without restart. It's a really nice plugin that shows you a more friendly view about the Jenkins pipeline, and you need to install a couple of others and plugins because this plugin has integration like with dashboard for Blueocean, Jira, that kind of services. So if we go back and in our job, we are able to see that we have a new plugin here, Open Blue Ocean, and also if you open that plugin, is so different to the standard view, to the Jenkins standard view. So you will see this drawing. This is the last build that we did it, and this is how it looks. So you can see one step at a time, and it's pretty nice. So we can do a little bit more things about with our Jenkins job, like okay, let's start some comments here, like so LTR and SH LTR maybe, or we can do a sleep for 10 seconds. Let's do it again. Run the pipeline. Now we can see the pipeline right now running. So as you can see, the first step was successful. Just list the directory, and the second one was already successful. That's it. This is how do you get a basic configuration of Fluent in Jenkins, and how do we create the basic pipeline with two-phase. In next videos, we are going to see more granular steps. How can we use different parameters? How can we use environments? And how can we play condition to play or execute one state or skip it based on different condition, environment, whatever. Thank you for watching my video. Any feedback, please left a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.